This is a very important crypto warning video as cryptocurrencies are continuing to head lower. And I made a warning video yesterday warning you all that cryptocurrencies are most likely going to head lower. And as soon as I made that video, there was a pretty significant crash in the entire crypto market. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what is taking place right now and next week that is causing this volatility right now, and where are cryptocurrencies most likely going to be ending up here in the immediate short term. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Welcome, Miles. It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies, and also subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And let me know in the comments below, did you end up getting out? Are you buying the dip right now? Let me know what your current strategy is during this weekend and over next week, as there is still a lot of volatility. So first and foremost, cryptocurrencies are beginning to break down. We have Ethereum here. I'll show you Bitcoin. Bitcoin is forming lower highs here, lower high here, lower high here, and we are in a bit of a downtrend from just the past couple of days. And honestly, if we zoom out, we can still see that we are bullish. We are still bullish, but we are seeing a little bit of a healthy pullback, a healthy correction, which is being more so induced not by just being a healthy correction and pullback, but because of what is taking place next week. Now, next week, Wednesday, there's going to be a Fed meeting where interest rates are potentially going to be raised higher than expectations or at expectations. So depending on what is said next week is going to be causing a lot of volatility. And that volatility can actually be bullish. I do believe that we will see cryptos rally here in the next couple of days. Probably, in my opinion, early to mid next week is when I believe cryptos are going to begin to recover and rally again and continue the bull market. That's just my opinion. But there is potential news that could come out that could shake the markets even further, which in my opinion is not likely, as the entire stock market and cryptos have been pricing in, sellers and traders have been pricing in what's happening next week for quite some time. So we're beginning to see cryptos and stocks bottom out. As I show you, the S&P 500 is continuing to actually rally and look very bullish and set up very good. So I do believe there's going to still be volatility from now and until next week, but there's going to be some green in between now and then. It's not going to be a constant sell-off and crash. And I do believe that probably the day of the event, maybe the day before or after, one of those days is when we're going to see a massive rally in the stock market and crypto market. In addition to that, GDP numbers are also coming out next week, which should potentially confirm that we are in a recession if the numbers do come out negative for the second month in a row. So if that happens, we can see the actual defined understanding that we are technically in a recession, as a lot of people are denying it, including the Fed. Now, getting into the charts, let me go ahead and show you what's happening right now. So we have Bitcoin about $22,000. We have Ethereum about $1,500. And it is likely, in my opinion, that we are going to continue in this downtrend. But I do believe, as we have seen from last night, there was some little short-lived pumps. There is going to be some green on the way down. So I believe we're going to head down for a little bit. I'm thinking we could see a 15 to 20% correction. We have already seen, just for Bitcoin alone, about a 10% correction. Ethereum from the top to the bottom, as we are beginning to break down, we have already seen just about a 10% correction as well. And we're seeing a little bit of a bounce as I'm making this video, but I do believe very confidently that we will probably continue to head lower over the weekend in the next couple of days. But as we have seen cryptos become very bullish these past couple of weeks, even despite FUD and fear and bearishness, cryptos continue to recover, bounce up, and rally. So I'm going to keep that in mind as well. So as of right now, we just want to wait out this volatility, in my opinion, if we are trading, unless you are shorting. And to get all of this information of when to buy, when to sell, what cryptos to buy and sell, go ahead and join the Patreon, where yesterday I told my people, especially in tier 3, and even all my patrons, that the market was going to be heading lower over starting at that moment when I released that video. And that message to my Patreon members, and of course it did if you watched my video last night. And to my Patreon members in tier 3, I told them to sell. Some of us opened shorts and made a lot of money, and we've been making profits nearly every single day in tier 3 in the Patreon. So go ahead and join tier 3. The link is in my video description. Now, make sure you claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It is a crypto trading platform where you can go long or short in the markets, which means you can make money when the market's going up or down, and you can leverage. Very cool. It's for experienced traders only, but you can get a $4,000 deposit bonus by using the link in my video description. Now, if you want to learn how to make 1 to 2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, go ahead and apply for my new crypto course and mentoring program. It is a whole year where I teach you everything I know. Thank you guys for staying to the end. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this video.